Most gardeners plant in spring and pray in fall. They repeat that cycle every single year, buying seeds, fighting pests, and losing harvests to weather. When they can't plant, they don't eat. But there's a different approach, one where you plant once and harvest for 20 years. No seeds, no replanting, no dependency on supply chains. These are perennial crops. Today I'll show you the 10 most powerful ones, chosen because they survive everything. These plants keep feeding you no matter what. I've spent years testing what actually worked. This isn't a catalog fantasy. These 10 plants passed every test: cold, drought, and maintenance. If you're serious about food independence, this list is your foundation. Let's get into it. Number 10. Siberian Pea Shrub. In the harshest climates, this shrub kept entire communities alive. It survives winters that kill every other crop. It's a nitrogen-fixing legume that tolerates -40 degrees. Plant a hedge of 10, and you have a permanent protein source: seeds, shoots, and forage. It rebuilds depleted soil while it feeds you. In a world without fertilizer, it's worth its weight in gold. Number 9. Sea kale. It's been feeding coastal Europeans for centuries, yet almost nobody grows it here. That's a massive missed opportunity. It gives you 3 different crops from one plant across one season. In spring, the shoots taste like asparagus. By summer, leaves like kale, then flower buds like broccoli. It thrives in neglect. Poor sandy soil, rocky slopes, and full sun with zero irrigation. Overwatering kills it. Plant it once, ignore it, and it delivers food every spring for 15 years. Number 8. Jerusalem artichoke. If you want a set it and forget it calorie crop, this is it. One tuber becomes 10 pounds of food. These stay in the ground all winter. Your soil is your root cellar. Dig them up fresh even through snow. They taste nutty and sweet, like a cross with a water chestnut. Roast them, mash them, ferment them. They're high in prebiotic fiber and great for gut health. The only challenge is keeping them from taking over your garden. They produce forever. Number 7. Asparagus. The earliest food of spring. When everything else is frozen, asparagus is already here, packed with vitamins A, C, K, and folate. A small bed produces up to 20 pounds of spears. Plant it once, and your grandchildren will still be eating from it 25 years later. It takes 2 years to establish, but that patience pays off for 2 decades. It's indestructible. This crop breaks the winter food gap every single year without fail. Low maintenance. Number 6. Rhubarb. Cold hardy down to zone 3. It tolerates poor soil and produces for decades. Produces 10 pounds of stalks per year. It asks for almost nothing in return. Don't miss this. Those toxic leaves? They're biodegradable mulch machines. They suppress weeds and feed your soil. Organic matter you didn't have to buy. Harvest what you need, leave the rest. Divide the crown. One plant becomes 5. Rhubarb is a permanent garden fixture that takes care of itself. Number 5. Chives. Flavor isn't a luxury. It's a survival tool in a monotonous diet. Appetite fatigue is real. Chives add onion flavor to everything, making survival food palatable. They support immunity when medical care isn't available. Cold hardy and grow anywhere. Harvest by snipping, and they regrow in weeks. Divide every 3 years to multiply your patch. They're a permanent flavor and nutrition patch that takes care of itself. No effort required. Number 4. Perennial Kale. Not the annual kind you plant every spring. This grows for years. Tree collards grow 8 feet tall and produce fresh leaves year-round, even through mild winters. Vitamins A, C, and K. The exact nutrients that disappear first when food becomes scarce. Propagation is effortless. Take a cutting, stick it in soil, and it roots in 3 weeks. One plant becomes unlimited plants. This is your permanent green infrastructure. Build it now. Number 3. Good King Henry. A medieval perennial that's fed people for over 1,000 years. Almost nobody knows it exists. That's your advantage. It produces while others fail. Annual spinach bolts in heat. Good King Henry produces from early spring through late fall. That's 6 months of food from one plant. Young shoots can be blanched and eaten like asparagus. Mature leaves cook exactly like spinach. It thrives in poor soil and lasts for a decade. Number 2. Egyptian walking onion. You'll never need to buy onion seeds again. Ever. Instead of flowering, it grows bulblets. The stalk bends, they root, and the onion walks. It replants itself. Harvest the greens like scallions year-round. Harvest bulblets in late summer. Eat them, pickle them, or replant them. Indestructible food independence in plant form. It walks across your garden, ensuring you always have onions. Cold hardy to zone 3. Number 1. American groundnut. The most underrated perennial food crop in North America. Native. Completely adapted, yet almost no one grows it. It produces edible tubers underground. These tubers are 15% protein by dry weight, higher than any other root crop. In a world where meat is scarce, this is your protein anchor. They taste nutty and sweet. Boil, roast, or mash them. They store in the ground all winter. Your soil is your cellar. No harvest timing pressure. Just dig when you need food. It's a nitrogen-fixing legume. It rebuilds soil while it feeds you. Plant it once near a trellis. It produces more every year, indefinitely. This is the ultimate survival anchor. It's time to put it in your garden. These 10 plants are designed to work together. Nitrogen fixers feed the soil for the others. Rhubarb leaves mulch around sunchokes. Walking onions edge every bed, working with nature. Every year it produces more, not less. You're not fighting entropy, you're working with it. This is what a regenerative food system looks like. The honest truth is, they take time. Asparagus needs 3 years. Groundnut needs 2. But that's exactly the point. Start now. Every season you wait is a season where your food forest isn't growing. Don't wait anymore. The best time to plant was 3 years ago. The second best time is this weekend. Grab a shovel. Build abundance for your future. You don't need a farm. You don't need a huge budget. You need a patch of ground and a decision to start. One plant, then another. Start small. That's how food forests begin. Real skills, real plants, real results. We go deep on this. How to build systems that last. How to grow more by doing less. Subscribe for more. New videos every week on permaculture design and food independence. Join the community. Ready to start building something permanent? Which of these 10 are you planting first? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. I'll see you in the next video. Stay resilient. The choice is yours. A permanent harvest is waiting. Start your journey today. Food forever. Plant once, harvest for decades. This is the future of gardening. Farewell.